Hi there, class. I just wanted to make a short video for you on activity number 8 in lesson 9 and go over some of the details of getting an image into our website. So there's a few things that have to happen in order for this to come together. The first thing is we have to find an image that we could put on our website. So if you take a quick look, this page is going to be all about me and have a cool picture. So with that, I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to go to a website called Unsplash to look for a picture. I like Unsplash because all the pictures that are posted there are CC0 or public domain, so I don't have to worry about finding the Creative Commons information. So I'm just going to put in the word rowing. I started rowing recently, just at a gym, but I would like to get on an actual team and be rowing on a river one day. So I'm going to use this picture for my website, and I'm just going to right mouse click and say Save Image As. When I go to save the image, I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Single Rower. I'm going to put it in my downloads and say save. Remember, use a name that's easy to remember and make it one word. Okay, now I go back to code.org and I click on Add an Image, Upload File. I go to Downloads, which is where my images were saved. I go to Single Rower, that was the name that I called it. And there is the image. Now it's not displayed on my website yet because I have to put in the HTML code. So right after the heading, cool images, I would start putting in the HTML element for images. So it's IMG space SRC equals, and then I could choose from the images that are here. So it's single rower. I have to put in an alt, which is going to be used by the browser if it can't display it or if it needs to read it to somebody. And I'm just going to put man rowing on a river. Okay. And then I'm going to close the bracket. And then there's my picture. Beautiful. Now, the only thing that I need now is to put the citation information. And that citation information has got 4 parts. First, it's the name of the picture. So I'm going to go back and see if the picture has got a name. It says rowing on a foggy day. So I'm going to just copy that. Go back to code.org. I'll say paste, rowing on a foggy day, by. Again, go back to Unsplash. I'm going to copy the name of the photographer, who's Matthew. And I'll say paste. And then I'm going to say what website I found it on. Found on unsplash.com. And I know it's CC0 is the Creative Commons license. All right, and I just need to end this with the paragraph tag, and I'm done. Okay, now, of course, I would probably want to add a little bit of information here. If I was doing this in class, maybe a short paragraph. But for right now, for this demo, this is all I'm going to show. So again, you need this image element. If you're still having problems with it, may I recommend that you go to Help and Tips and you take a look at this detailed explanation. It's really good information. The other thing that you could do is kind of take a look at some of these bits of information. There's 3 pop-ups information that you could learn some more about images. All right, I hope this helped, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye.